fact, we're getting in the inside scoop of the NC meeting. Sources have told CNN News 18 that there's friction between the Raj Bhawan and the Chief Minister, who've discussed in the meeting, during the meeting, instances of the tussle between Raj Bhawan and Chief Minister's office, along with other issues included the issuance of transfers, postings of officers by General Administrative Department in the absence of Chief Minister Omar Abduallah were also discussed. Let's quickly go across to Ishan Vani, who will bring us more of these inputs. Ishan, what are you learning in terms of these the friction between the Raj Bhawan and the government? Also, what emerged out of this meeting finally?
Well, at least for the national conference, they're not happy with whatever is happening. Today's meeting, it was discussed with the MLAs that what really issues are facing, and the friction that the party feels is there between the Raj Bhawan and the national conference-led government, and they feel that certain things. The orders of the Chief Minister are being stopped, or there has been some kind of, power defining hasn't come there. Because there were certain, issues in regard to certain orders passed by the Chief Minister and initially by the Lieutenant Governor, which, Omar Abduallah wanted to rectify. But that didn't happen. So they feel that there is a friction, and, that is why sources have told CNN News 18 that the legislators have asked Omar Abduallah to take up this issue with the central government. And, because this friction is coming because there is no defined at the moment about the business rules to really who holds what power. And to really, because J&K has become a union territory just recently, and this is for the first time that the Chief Minister is working in a UT from a state to a UT. So that's why, the business rules haven't been defined, although we are expecting that the business rules will clearly come out. But the sources are also telling us from the other side that the business rules are defined. And, it's very clear that what powers does the Lieutenant Governor hold and what powers does the Chief Minister hold. But there is friction, and the meeting has given a go-ahead for Chief Minister to discuss this matter with the central leadership in Delhi and the government, and it should be taken up there so that the friction and the issues faced by the current government that Omar Abduallah is discussed. But for the other side, the business rules are defined, and clearly the mandate of the Lieutenant Governor to issue some transfer orders, including of IAS and IPS officers.